Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Steam on a MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing to the channel. Let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. Here I'm gonna open Google Chrome browser. After opening the browser, you have to type on the address bar steamcommunity.com. Once the page loads, you will see the Install Steam icon on the top right corner. Normally click on it. Again, click on this Install Steam button. After download is complete, open the .dmg file from your downloads folder and double-click on it to open it. And you will see the Steam icon here. Drag the Steam icon to your Applications folder. Once it's done, go to your Applications now. And now, search for Steam and double-click on it. You may be prompted with this window. Normally click on this Open button. And the app will open and may update itself to the latest version. Now you can log in or create a new Steam account to start using the platform.